Hey there, I am Akanksha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the scientist of cell, the unit of life chapter, and this video is going to be a bit longer and very much informative. So do watch the video till the end and be a patient listener. Let's start. We will cover each and every scientist in a sequence that has been mentioned in the NCERT. So, starting with the first scientist, Robert Hooke, who discovered the Koch cells which were dead, and he is now known as the father of cytology. Secondly, our scientist is Anton von Leeuwenhoek, who discovered the living cells and termed them animalcules. Now we are going to talk about the most important scientists who formulated the cell theory. Guess who? They are Matthias Schilde and Theodor Schwann. Matthias Schilde, he is a German botanist who in 1838 examined a lot of plants and observed that they are composed of different kinds of cells which form the tissues of the plants. Now talking about Theodor Schwann, who is a British zoologist, in 1839 he examined different animal cells and told that they had an outer thin layer which is today known as the plasma membrane, and in case of plant cells he concluded that they had a unique character of cell walls. Now guys, there is one line that we need to focus on that has been mentioned in NCERT, which is Schwann proposed the hypothesis that the bodies of plants and animals are composed of cells and product of cells. Now this line is important because a question can be asked from any line of NCERT firstly, and secondly Schilde has not been mentioned in this line. So guys, moving on to our next scientist, Rudolf Virchow, who in 1855 modified the cell theory, plus he gave a statement omnis cellula e cellula, meaning new cells arise from the pre-existing cells. Now talking about the next scientist in our list, which is Christian Gram, who introduced Gram's staining procedure that divided bacteria into two groups basically on the basis of the differences in the cell envelope plus the manner in which they respond to the stain. These two groups are Gram positive bacteria and other group is Gram negative bacteria. Next comes Singer and Nicholson, who in 1972 gave fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane. Camillo Golgi in 1898 was the first one to observe a densely stained reticular structure near the nucleus. These structures were named as Golgi bodies after Camillo Golgi. Ribosomes were first observed by George Pallet in 1953 under electron microscope. In 1831, Robert Brown discovered nucleus. Now here we need to remember one more thing. The material of the nucleus was stained by basic dyes and it was given the name chromatin by Fleming. Now guys, we will talk about some other scientists that are not mentioned in the NCERT but you must know. Benda was the one who gave the term mitochondria, whereas Altman discovered mitochondria and termed it bioblast. Knoll and Rushka discovered electron microscope. So guys, this was all from my side. I just hope that this video will help you out in remembering all the scientists in this particular chapter. So stay tuned to the channel. All the best and happy learning. Thank you for watching the video till the end.